this is Gurpreet from the Columbia Education channel. Today we are here to learn about writing task 1 academic. Especially this video is talking about that how many kinds of tasks we have in a academic task 1, right? These are the names of the chart and graph. These are the identifications, right? First one, we have a pie chart. In a pie chart you will get the diagram in a circular position, right? This is a circle. See, this circle is divided into so many parts. That means we have to differentiate these things in a task 1, right? This is a pie chart. Whenever we have a graph in a circle position, we have to mention this is a pie chart, right? Then second is a bar graph. See, I have made the bar graph in a two forms. One is in a horizontal and second one is in a vertical position. Any kind of chart we can get in a exam, either in the form of vertical, either in the form of horizontal, right? This is called a bar graph. A single bar you can also get, or multiple bars you can also get in a exam, right? Next one, we have a line chart. See, I have made the line in so many different ways. Sometimes we get only a single line, sometimes there are the 2 to 3 lines, and more than 3 lines also we will get in an exam, right? But there is a difference in the lines. We have to explain what are the differences in a line chart we have. This thing we have to explain in a writing task 1. Next is a table chart. See, I have made the table in a different form. Like first, these are the names. That means here are the name of the something, and there are the what the things of they are doing, right? I have written UK and USA. These are the names of the country and what country people are doing in a sport, TV, mobile phone and shopping. This data I have not mentioned, but in an exam you will get the data also, right? This is about the graphs and charts. Next charts we have, this is a life cycle. In a life cycle you can see I have made the arrows. These arrows in a circular position. When we have arrows in a circular round, then it's a life cycle. You can get the life cycle of either paper, even living creatures like bee. You can get the any kind of life cycle in your task 1, right? Then next one is the process chart. I have made the process chart in a arrows of this direction. You can see the arrows. When the arrows we will get in this direction, that means this is a process chart. Next one is flow chart. Flow chart, you will get the arrows in the downside, right? When you get the arrows in a downside, that means it's a flow chart, right? Next one is picture or map. Picture, map, diagram, whatever the diagram is, that's a, even you can write the map as a layout too, right? In this you can see the differences. This one is a different picture and this is a different, right? That means you will get 2 pictures in a map. Sometimes you will get a 2 or sometimes you will get only a single picture. When we have 2 pictures in a map, then we can explain by using the what the differences, what the changes has taken place in this picture and in this picture. That's all. This is all about the writing task 1, especially for academic. I have tell you almost about 8 kinds of task 1, but in exam you will get only a 1 picture. Maybe that picture, whatever you will get in an exam, this is the whatever the picture you will get in an exam, maybe this is a combination of 2 graphs like pie chart and table. Maybe it's a single like only table, yeah, only these kinds of, only 1 graph you will get in a exam, right? For more inquiry, if you have any doubt in this task 1, then you can comment in the comment section, right? For more information you can subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.